how to activate your GiffGaff eSIM. So what you want to do is go into your phone settings, and here from the settings we will click on cellular. Okay, so once we have selected this option, if you scroll down a little bit, you should see an option to add an eSIM. Just select that, and here we should see two new options: either transfer from nearby iPhone or scan a QR code. So we will use QR code. This is going to activate our camera, and if you have a GiffGaff QR code, you can scan it here, or you can enter the details manually by pressing on the button in the bottom. It's going to ask for SMDP plus address, the activation code, and a confirmation code if you've been given one by the carrier. Fill out this information, click on next in the top right, and it should activate your GiffGaff eSIM. Leave a like and sub if this helped. I'll see you next time.